Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I applied the coffee and egg white mask, and this is to reduce wrinkles, it's to tighten the skin, and it's to smooth puffy under eye and also remove dark circles. So, some of the benefits of coffee. As we all know, coffee contains caffeine that protects the cells against UV radiation and slows down the process of photoaging on the skin. It also reduces early wrinkles, tightens the skin, and smooths puffiness. This face mask is also going to instantly help reduce the puffy eyes, and it's going to take away those dark circles and reduce those fine wrinkles. Benefits of egg whites. Egg whites has an astringent that acts to tighten, tone, and reduce puffiness under the eye. Egg white also reduces inflammation and helps improve circulation. So some of the quick instructions in order to get the benefits from this face mask is you're going to need 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of coffee ground, and you're going to combine the egg white and the coffee in a bowl. Mix these together until it becomes frothy for about a minute. Then with clean hands, you want to go in with either a brush or you want to apply the mask around the eyes, but you do not want to apply it over the eyelid. Just apply it around and underneath the eye. You want to let the mask dry on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once that is done, take a wet rag and wipe off everything on your face. After this process is complete, you want to follow up with a good facial moisturizer. And for more DIYs, hair hacks, routines, and regimens to regrow back our alopecia edges, as well as hairstyles to rock out in public, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial.